In this video, we will talk about the nervous system, and also the divisions of nervous system. What is a nervous system? The nervous system is the body's communication network, responsible for transmitting signals between different parts of the body. It controls voluntary and involuntary actions, and processes sensory information. Classification of the nervous system. The nervous system is broadly classified into central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. Number 1. Central nervous system. The CNS is the control center of the body. It has two components, brain and spinal cord. It performs the following functions: integrates sensory data and motor commands, serves as the center for thoughts, learning, and emotions. Number 2. Peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system connects the central nervous system to the rest of the body. Peripheral nervous system has two components: somatic nervous system, autonomic nervous system. Part 1. Somatic nervous system. It controls voluntary actions. It is composed of sensory nerves, afferent, and motor nerves, efferent. For example, moving your arm or speaking. Part 2. Autonomic nervous system. It controls involuntary actions. It regulates functions like heartbeat, digestion, and respiratory rate. Subdivisions of the autonomic nervous system. It is subdivided into three types. Sympathetic nervous system prepares the body for fight or flight responses, increases heart rate, dilates pupils, and reduces digestion. Parasympathetic nervous system promotes rest and digest activities, slows heart rate, constricts pupils, and stimulates digestion. Enteric nervous system is known as the second brain, controls gastrointestinal functions.